This is part 2 where we hopefully get it started. This is a new modified exhaust. That's still not sucking. There you go. Listen to that baby purr. Can we gas on?
I think. Yeah.
Okay, now we have the gas on, so. And that's the modified exhaust. Post-game comments?
Well, picked that one up from some buddies in Bondfield. You know, when it's time for race day and whatnot, like this sled sound in tip-top shape, and that's pretty much what they do. Pretty much all I gotta say. Woo!
For the record, that was first experimented on a 91 Polaris Starlight.